Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and your microphone isn't working on Snapchat, don't panic. It's a super common issue that can be fixed with a few simple steps. Whether you're trying to record a voice note, chat with friends, or go live, a faulty mic can ruin the fun. Today, I'll walk you through an easy, step-by-step guide to get things up and running again. Let's dive in. First things first, check your app permissions. Head over to your phone settings, tap on Apps or Applications, find Snapchat, and make sure the microphone permission is enabled. If it's turned off, switch it on and save the changes. This is often the culprit, as apps need access to use your device's hardware. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting the Snapchat app. Simply close it from your recent apps menu by swiping up and then reopen it. Sometimes, a quick refresh fixes temporary glitches. Next, restart your entire device. Turn off your phone, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This can clear out any background issues that might be interfering. Now, ensure Snapchat is updated. Go to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates. Outdated versions often have bugs that affect features like the microphone. If you're still having trouble, clear the app's cache. In your phone settings under Apps, select Snapchat, and look for the Storage or Cache option. Clear the cache to remove any corrupted files, but remember, this won't delete your data. As a final step, test your device's microphone with another app, like your voice recorder, to rule out hardware problems. If it works elsewhere, the issue is likely with Snapchat. In that case, uninstall and reinstall the app for a fresh start. There you have it. Your microphone on Snapchat should be fixed and ready to go. If these steps helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.